Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the filter of function. This is a built-in function used along with the lambda function. The last video you have seen about the lambda function or expression. In this video we are going to see about the filter of function. This is also a built-in function used along with the lambda function. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Totally the lambda functions are used with the built-in functions of filter, lambda, filter, map and reducer function. This video we will discuss only about the filter of function. Okay, the name itself, it has the meaning, the filter. That means you have to filter out something, some values or some elements from the group of elements. Out of all the data, it takes some data based on the condition. Okay, we'll see an example. I'm going to perform the same program by using the lambda def function as well as the lambda function also by using the filter function. First one, by using def function. Okay, the group of list of elements, I want to filter out some even numbers. The list contains group of elements. I want to display the even numbers from the list. Okay, I'm taking the list 8 4 2 3 5 7 1 24 54 31. Okay, the list contains some set of elements. Then I want to filter out, I want to display only the even numbers from the list. Okay, for that I'm going to create a function def even number of lst. Okay, then I want to search each and every element from the list for I in lst. If I modulus 2 equal to 0, that means if the I contains the remainder as 0, then the number is a even number. List dot print of I. Okay, then function call even number of lst. Okay, save the program. Okay, we got the all the even numbers from the list, and if you want to display the list, even numbers in the list format, then want to take an empty list to store the list of elements. To take an empty list, lst1, then I'm going to add the list1 dot append of I. Okay, then print the list 1. Save the program. Okay, we got the results in the list format. Okay, Like that same program, the list contains a group of elements. We have to fetching have fetched, we have filtered out some even numbers from the list. We are going to do the same thing by using the filter function, by using the filter function used along with the lambda function. Okay, first of all, the syntax of the filter function is filter of lambda expression comma object name. Okay, the lambda expression contains the syntax as that I will write here. Filter of lambda expression comma object name. Okay, then the syntax of lambda expression is lambda of argument list colon expression. Okay, within the filter function have to add the lambda function syntax. Okay, let's rewrite the program. First, the syntax is filter of, then the lambda expression. Okay, so lambda of argument list. What are the argument list? That's I. Okay, I colon the condition expression modulus 2 double equal 0, then object name lst. Okay, then we want to print the results, so print of filter of lst and save the program. Want to display the results in the list format. Okay, 1 2 3 this. Okay, without giving any format, it will display the results like this. But we got, if you want to display the results in the list set string format, we can use the keyword like list. If you want to display the results in the set format, we should use the set. See, we got the output in the set format. Okay, the previous one def function we got the list format, and this function we got the set format. Like that we can get the results list format. Control S in the program, so we got the output. For the same cases we got the same output. We can use this function later, but we can't use this function later. We can use it here only. It's the main difference we have seen in the lambda function. Okay, friends, that's it today. The lambda function having remaining map and reducer function that we will discuss in the upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.